Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso, mas paladman pa nato kining issue sa COVID-19 labi na ning gitawag nga transmission o ang pagkatap sa virus sa atong katilingban. Mga itagtambag sa eksperto kabahin ni ini ug makatin-awan sab alang sa atong mga kaigsuonan nga nagtan-aw karong buntaga. Makauban nato presidente sa Philippine Society of Microbiology and Infectious Diseases Cebu Chapter, Dr. Pidgey Tambago. Good morning, Doktora.
Good morning.
Thank you so much, Doc, for joining us this morning. Doc, maghisgota aning transmission sa virus. Kanus amang gyud makaingon ta nga labing makatakod kini usa ka individual, Doc, nga infected sa COVID-19?
The person is infected or makatakod siya during the first days before the onset of manifestation. Meaning to say, before siya mohilanat, before mo set in ang ubo, sipon, ang labadugulo, highly infectious na nga tao. And then it will go on for around 7 to 8 days. So by the 8th day, dili na kayo na siya mutakod.
Even before mugawas ang sintomas, Doc, kuyaw na di ang transmission ani, Doc?
Yes.
Unaware ang usa ka tao?
Yes, that is called the pre-symptomatic stage. Meaning to say, wala pa siya ni-develop sa signs and symptoms, but it is already incubating in the body of the person. So that's why it is very important to use mask, properly, and then the face shield, as well as social distancing, at least a meter or 2.
Between symptomatic, Doc, kining nagmanifest og symptoms, o asymptomatic, kining wala magmanifest og symptoms, unsa man doon na ba ni kalainan, Doc, kung ang transmission, ang pagtakod sa virus, Doc, ang hisgutan?
They're the same, but ang ato lang is asymptomatic, meaning to say wala pa siya ni-develop sa symptoms. So usually it is the person is highly infectious at that time, and then mulungtad siya around 7 to 8 days on. So meaning to say, at the onset, makatakod na siya until the 8th day.
Before the onset of symptoms, Doc, up to the 8th day, onwards, Doc,
yes.
After mauna na
onwards and less likely to be infectious anymore.
So buot pasabot, Doc, of course, healthy-looking individual, wala pa ning manifest og symptoms, kuyaw gyud gihapon basta di gyud magamping.
Yes, basta dili magamping. They look healthy at that time, but they are already shedding off the infectious organism, the COVID-19.
You were saying sa atong previous nga istorya lang, Doc, nga doon ay mga wrong notion, mga misconceptions sa uban nga mga tao karong panahon na, Doc, sa society about sa sakit. Can you share to us some of this, Doc?
The wrong notion that the virus does not kill, that it is very mild. We have to take note that the infection varies, in manifestation. Most of the individuals mild, but then there are also individuals who manifest with very severe type of infection, of COVID infection. Mao ni sila ang mga na-admit and then admitted in the ICU. Even ang uban, they die because of the severity of the infection. So everybody is really at risk, maingon tag healthy individuals, especially those kanang naay mga sakit, mga obese, dakuon, mga diabetic, hypertensive, those with cancer, ongoing dialysis. So kani sila mga immunocompromised individuals, they are at risk.
Ari ko kuan kadali, Doc, sa close contact. How do we define close contact with an individual nga infected sa disease, Doc? I mean, gikinahanglan ba nga, of course, dool mo, pero kanang mag-istorya, wala lang mo nag-istorya, Doc, labay lang aning tawhana, matawag na mato ng close contact sa kining infected?
You are within 1 meter, and then the patient is not wearing any protective protection, like not wearing the mask, not wearing the face shield, and then they are in front of each other, and then prolonged contact, even less than 5 minutes na you are talking to a person na infectious. You're already exposed.
You were saying kanina, Doc, kaning immunity, dili tanang tao di ay ang posibleng mo develop og immunity, meaning antibodies?
Not all mild to severe nga mga infections. The mild and the moderate ones usually have a titer, antibody titer, no? So, but ang ilahang makita is dili siya mulungtad ngadto sa 3 months. So, we don't know if kung na-infected ka karon, ang immunity will last you a lifetime or will last you for just a few months time. So dili gid na siya assurance nga na-infected ka, di na ka mabalikan og COVID infection.
Pero doon na yung mga documented nga mga kaso, Dok, nga nataptan yun pagbalik sa COVID-19.
There are a few, but gina-review pa na siya if it is really airy infection.
Finally, Doc, mensahe nimo padayon pa man gyud tang tanan ani atong war versus COVID-19 unsay gusto nimong ipaambit ug ihangyo pod sa atong mga kaigsunan nga nananaw karon buntaga, Doc.
We are encouraging, reiterating, and kanang encouraging everybody to follow lang yung protocols set by the government, no, and the medical field. Do not forget to wear masks. Protect yourself, protect your family, no? Wash your hands, do proper etiquette, social distancing. Let this become a habit.
Alright, hinaot nga minaw sa batong mga kaigsuonan og they will take all these suggestions to heart, di ba, Doktora? Thank you so much
Yes.
for your time this morning. Presidente sa PSMID Cebu, Dr. Fiji Tambago. Thank you, Doc.
Welcome.